So the new version of Parallels 20 has just been released, and they have a lot of really interesting features. One of those features is the ability to download an AI package that gives me a Linux-based AI application development environment right on my Mac. So whether I'm an existing developer or whether I'm someone that wants to learn how to develop AI apps, I'm going to be able to use that environment without having to incur additional cloud costs or go out and purchase new hardware. I'm going to be able to run it as a VM on my Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up. We'll take a look at the Parallels Visual Studio extensions, how we can install them first of all, and then how we can use them to download this AI package. Then we'll look at the AI package and how it'll reside on my Mac, and I can begin the process of learning how to develop AI applications, or if I'm an existing AI application developer, can use it as part of my DevOps. Let's go take a look. What we want to install is not just Visual Studio for Mac. We want to actually install the Parallels Visual Studio extensions for Mac. That's what it looks like here. So to get to this, what we're going to do is I'll go to the Parallels website, and I'll put links for all this down below. We're going to get started on the AI kit by downloading Parallels Desktop, and then we're going to download the extensions. We'll install the extensions, we'll put those on, and we'll get our Parallels Visual Studio extensions. This will allow me to go in, and you do a lot with the extensions besides just the AI machine, but you can see all my virtual machines are here. I can manage them, but I'm going to grab the AI development platform. I'm going to go in, we can grab it, we can open up if we have it already, or I can download it, and I can get documentation on this. There's things like a Discord server, all of those good things as well, and it's really designed to help me build and develop in a single environment, the Mac OS, but adding Windows OS and all the things that Parallel allows me to do. So when I download it, I'm going to give it a name and I'm going to give it a path, and then it'll begin the process of downloading it. Now this normally takes maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It's going to depend on your internet speed. I've sped this up a little bit. Now for Parallels Desktop, there is a discount available. I'll make sure I put a link down below for that. But you can see it'll create this machine, and now I have this running AI development environment. I can do some really neat things right out of the Visual Studio extensions, like suspend it, stop it, shut it down. But a really cool thing is I can go into it from a command or a terminal, and I can work with the machine here if I need to configure it. Great for administrative deployment, but it's also a desktop. So I go into desktop, you'll see that it's an Ubuntu distribution. It'll download Parallel Tools, get it all set up with the passwords and such. And now I have my AI developer package sitting here in this custom VM. Only takes a few minutes. And there's some documentation in here where it gives me some ideas of things I can do. You can see all of the different things. I'll have to trust it here. You can see all of the different things that I can do here. So a lot of different face detection and recognition and lots of different experiments that I can do. There's some documentation that will give me information on how to do some of these things. And you can make sure you keep up to date on everything. And I'm going to make sure that I have this as a machine that I can then use in a classroom environment, in a development environment. It's really quite handy. Running this AI package, this virtual machine, is just one of the things that's available on Parallels 20. There's a lot of other things we can do around gaming, around educational use, around finance, around development, and the administrative functions are pretty robust as well. There's a lot to it. If you'd like to see any more videos on Parallels 20, comment down below. I plan to make a few more, but if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to address, just let me know. I'm always happy to put that at the front of the line. Parallels 20 has really allowed me to use my Mac as much more of a universal computer. I run a lot of Linux systems, AI development, Windows machines. There's a lot. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video if it was useful, and if you're looking for a discount on Parallels, check down the description below because there will be something there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.